Hello, my name is Kim Sauer at Apex 2015. I'm joined here today by Mark Goodwin from Ventec International. Mark, let's talk a little bit about the business. So you're Ventec International.
Yes.
But there's also Ventec USA, which is going to be predominantly here as a presence at the show, and there's Ventec Europe as well.
Yes.
So just give us a little bit of an introduction to the setup, I suppose.
The setup, right. Okay, well, Ventec International is a Taiwanese company, but we have predominantly volume manufacturing in China, in Suzhou, a little bit in South China in Shenzhen, a little bit also in Taiwan, but the main HQ is Suzhou. My responsibility is to look after really pretty much everything outside of Asia. I also get some crossover in Asia with the companies that have a global presence, and we've built over the last, I think it's November 2006, we incorporated the first overseas company, which was Ventec Europe Limited, the UK company. So what's that? That's 9 years now.
Yep.
And we've built an overseas business in that time of around about $45 million. We were talking about it over a beer last night. The original plan was for about 55, 60, but you know, I've got 100 in mind. It's a nice number.
Okay, that's a nice number. Yeah.
Nice number.
Yeah.
So I don't know. Maybe I'm dreaming, but I'm going to have a go.
Nice to talk about that over a beer as well. Some great news. So what do you attribute that to? That success?
Big part of it is we are the manufacturer of the material with the distributor of the material. We have our own distribution channel into all markets. There are some markets where we have a hangover from the past where we operate with third-party distributors, but in general we are our own distributor. So it's very much part of our business model to carry inventories. You know, there's clearly a working capital commitment you have to make to that, and as a manufacturer it's in our interest to do that, to win and capture business, capture market share. I mean, typically in Europe, in Germany, lead times are anywhere between 1 and let's say 7, 8, 9 days. In the UK, they're anywhere between 1 and 3, and in the USA, they're anywhere between less than 1 and 3.
So how would you compare that to a distributor model?
Well, distributor, first of all, distributors got to finance that inventory themselves. Now, they're generally speaking, they're not going to have the financial resources of a manufacturer, so it's going to be a tougher call for them. One of the things I can tell you about our UK business, and I built it from nothing, is we are the UK supplier of choice for unbalanced coppers, oddball materials, because the distribution channel, the third-party distributors, don't want to carry these for the 3, 4, 5 sales a year they get, whereas we see it as part of the mix of our business, service being the key thing. I mean, we have average, I was looking at the operations metrics this morning, we have average lead times in our US business of about 1.25 days, in our UK business about 1.5, in our German business of about 7 or 8. And we have a quick response time. And we have 99% on-time delivery everywhere or above, and about 99% in time, in full. And we're managing a 6 to 8 week supply line into our inventories in Europe and the USA. So supply chain management is a key part of what we do. We do this in a very methodical way. We've got some very strong system tools for allowing us to plan this. The more information we can get from customers, the better security we can give them, the more we can commit to them. You know, the stronger service level agreements we can provide. And that's really where we're going. It's a service business, but driven by the manufacturer, not by a third-party distributor. You know, we want to be close to our customers.
And I guess with that sort of commitment, that will require some sort of investment. So what are your plans there, or what's going on at the moment?
Well, we're investing in inventory, we're investing in plant equipment that's in Europe. We've just finished a big investment plan in Europe. You've probably, in fact, I think you guys published some of the squeaky clean stuff for us all around ultra clean, ultra thin materials and very clean materials. The ESA Appendix A proposal, I believe, was adopted by IPC at the meeting yesterday. So we were part of that with one other laminator, you know, committed to driving cleanliness. That's been an investment route for us. Investment in stock, but we've also been investing in people. You know, Martin Cotton, I think he's got an interview with you sometime, driving the OEM story for us. New salespeople in the USA, really laminate salespeople with real connections into the PCB companies. We plan to grow this business. I've already put a number out there. You know, maybe I'll get beaten up for that later, but I'm going to give give it a go with a bunch of good guys. Actually, we've got a really good, strong team, all focused on getting this done.
Okay, well that sounds very good. Thank you very much for your time, and good luck with the show here in San Diego.
Thanks, Kim.
Thank
Cheers.
You.